Hauzik ngasigi haubagi maroi ba pauseng. Sakang daba singna thabak tagi pothara ba IPS officer ama yauna mioi mari sekmai tagi fakrai. Amadi sahi asigi manungda Ukhrul district primary health sub center hupu suwana ba hunaragini haina health minister L Zent Kumar na haikrai. Kharum jare ISTV pau mieng tabiri ba singutaram nokjare. Haujima pungai ba pau. Sakang daba singna thabak tagi pothara ba IPS officer ama yauna mioi mari sekmai dagi fakrai. Makoi sing adudi sekmai dagi mari suba IRB gi CO oiramba retired IPS Angom Kunjo amadi mahaka loinana working chatminaba khwairakpam Roton Mani Singh chai humudra apokpa lekhidraba KS Yumjau awang sekmai bazar khwairakpam Uplo Singh chai humphumanga apokpa lekhidraba KS Jugol Singh amadi khwairakpam Ye School chai humudra apokpa lekhidraba KS Luja Singh awang sekmai makha lekai dagini Thodosi ngrang numidang wairam chaurakna pung taruk muktaba aduwaida sekmai police station gi manung chanba sekmai bazar dagi khurkul taba lambi da thokhibane Makoi Marina walking chatlingai da alto car amada lakpa sakang daba singna gun point ta phakibani hari ISTV news na phakpa pawgi matungina sakang daba singna phakriba mioi mari adu sel gi demand ga mari leinaramba yabagi thajaba lei hari Makoi mari bu phakre haiba paw phangbadagi Manipur police commando gi apunba kangbu amana ngarang numidang dagi hauna sakang daba kulai paibasing aduna leiramba yai haina chingnaba mafam singda thiba humagi thabak kana chatharakle Hauzik phawbagi di sakang daba singna phakhiba mioi mari adugi mari makhong khangba ngamdre Sahi asigi manungda Ukhrul district primary health sub center humpu suwananaba hunaragani haina health minister L Zent Kumar na Somdal village da leiba primary health sub center bu community health sub center da upgrade tawnabagi urap yung tamba amadi ngainga village da primary health sub center sangabagi thorom da haikre Somdal la pangthokpa thorom aduda chingai kendragi MLA Kasim Washum Hanagi Minister Dr. Kashim Ruiva Health Services ki Additional Director Dr. Manikanta Ukhrul District Hospital ki Chief Medical Officer Dr. A.S. Kapangring yauna official kyana sarukya ke Minister L Zent Kumar na makhatana haikibada primary health sub center sing masing hengat handuna health care sector da chauna hongba purakna ba honare cherak sida doctor amadi nurse singna arapa khungang singda posting chatning da ba si achoba singna ba amani haike
shakpingai dagi aina chawra kamba kli jaga do madule ni makli awat ba bekim amale ba health safety ki matang da bekim amale ba Madu aina madu jaga adu dagi village dagi chawra pani na ai somdal ni chawra pani ai kamjong ni chawra pani dagi ai chingai ni chawra pani na aina adu jaga adu chawra pani na adu jaga adu na chaga lei mo ni kamu simta ai seba to ge na ai se masi thak se kitang tatok ni kitang wat na butam to ye moi masa masa pleasure individual pleasure madu da madu ki nungai to chat ba hai praja ko ni katok si jaw do adaga beware our doctors and nurses please Sigi doctor was nurse ki life ki kama totally dedication ni katho ko khil life ni
Ukhrul district hospital ge chief medical officer Dr. A.S. Kapangring na paumi singna hangba wangi paukhumda hauzik Ukhrul district la riba primary health center amadi primary health sub center sing saba lusindaba yawbana thabak tobada kudong sadaba kaya thengnari haike
akhoi gi infrastructure sembasi nungai bu watli kari gi no haraga Latrine semraga septic tank yauramde building hairaga incomplete thambirame adu si ekhoi na di ekhoi CMO moina ekhoi na di ekhoi topam karisu leite ekhoi topangam de adu si di high level digi chief minister level haisra minister level haisra works haisra yengsin bibam makhoina thabak suba subudo yam phachana yam finishing touch leina losin biredi ekhoi nursing oisnu ekhoi staff sing nuaina chalaga du occupy to bayagani habsi id haininge
Kendra gi MLA Kasim Washum na haikibada singi mafam singda lambi semba amadi tongan ba sawat thaurangi thabak paket pa ase yamna mathau tai adumoinamak environment ki khallaga hana leiriba lambi singda samjillaga satnana ba honabana hena phaba oigani haike Art and Culture gi Minister su ori by L Zent Kumar na Ukhrul gi khongsat aduga mari leinana Ukhrul gi Rengrei village natraga Hollywood of Tangkul haina khangna ba mafam maduda Manipur Film amade Television Institute amade Cultural Complex saba yaba mafam su yengsin ke Minister na haikibada awang nongpok lamdamda khwaidagi chawba Manipur Film and टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट लिंखलबसु लिंगजेन मानना होटनामिनद्रबदी माई पाकप ngamloi haike Border pillar number Marfumathoyasi Manipur gi lamda kilometer ahumlom changshilga yungshidakli haibaki matangda hauzik wathokama oirakliba asi yengsnanaba Manipur sarkarna semkiba high power committee gi chairman su oiriba revenue minister Karam Shamna luchingduna ngasi kwatha khunauda chatuna border pillar number Marfumathoy gi phibam yengsnanaba gidamak ngasi imphal dagi mfamadura chatkre khongchat asida mari leinaba official singsu sarukya ke hauzik aten brem chalokjare
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungaraktaba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairabo waidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu.
My name is Kiwang Mai and I cracked NEET 2018 ST topper in Manipur. In order to crack such exam, we need the help of teachers and parents. And Comet is the one who guide me through thick and thin. Well experienced oiba Oza Singhi guidelines duna. Ay ngasi NEET 2018 se top tauba ngamjabani. Oza Singh se yam helpful oy. They always call me and ask me my weaknesses even through phone. Adugi damakta Oza Singh bo yam karakter. Lastly, I would like to say that I'm a proud Cometian.
Baba, Greg John gidi Tatis College di. Mamal suma pang puding jamane yo sumang roy pista sa labanina. Ado suma tagta superlink footing offer me among piris di. Tas electric drum no sin bagum na yo tisin bayar.
Dudi sanagi mohut yang na sin bayar.
Modi University, a leading women's university of India with 28 years of experience in women's education, organizing a career seminar by renowned academicians and career planners on 7th of July 2018 at 11 a.m. Hotel Classic, North AOC. For free registration, contact 70850575001 or 971 999 3334.
As a fresher, NEET select oversee Karawaboy na Kali, Adubu. Aina Cometa Chalur Batunda, Oza Singi, well experienced Amadi teaching methods tagi, confidence funky, Amasung, NEET live in a talk. Future experiencing the Hizaning body, NEET Toge Harabadi, hard work, dedication, and confidence labor Maruta. Amasung Coaching Institute Kimatang the recommend of Harabadi. I think Comet is the only one. I am proud to say that I am a student of Comet.
Break Matunga Mamataram Nokchare, Makata Pauda. Imphal City Bulu na thamnaba amadi miyamna lambida gari chatok chashin tawbada khudong sadaba thengnariba sing asidagi kharada oirabasu koknanaba city police ki OCN ingo channel chingba kangbu amana ima kaithel gi akoiba amadi lambi gi footpath ta kaithel phamjiliba ima ibel singbu ayuki pung 9 taraklabadi makata na pot yonbidanaba miyoibagi minungshi amaga loinana OCN ingo chana ima ibel singda apil tawkre ngasigi drive aduda additional SP LO Sarangthem Hemanta Susarukya ke Ima Kaitel ahum pauna kaitel amadi thangal kaitel gi footpath ta pot yoliba ima ibel singadu mafam saba singda pot yonanaba city police ki mai kaidagi koina satuna khangan ke Hauzik maroiba pau amok. Sakangdaba singna thabak tagi potharaba IPS officer ama yauna mioi mari sekmai tagi fakre. Amadi sahi asigi manungda Ukrul district primary health sub center humpu sunana ba kunaragani haina health minister L Jayantakumar na haikre. Hauzik phabugi oina dia stibna pizza pau mata instruction jare miyang tabiri basingba mukahanna kharum jare.